the Jackery Explorer 1500. After years of fine-tuning our innovative line of portable power stations, we're now bringing you even more power with this new, large-capacity solar generator. With Panasonic's automotive-powered lithium-ion battery at its core, we're able to provide you with 1,488 watt-hours of safe, clean, and portable power for any type of off-grid activity, workshop, home office, or emergency home backup. Our powerful new 1,800-watt AC inverter allows you to run anything you would from your standard wall outlet, letting you tackle any project, indoors or out. Our new industry-leading inverters can cope with surges generated by power tools, medical equipment, and household appliances, including full-size refrigerators, allowing you to run power-hungry equipment with confidence. Power a wide range of devices thanks to the 7-port options on the device's interface. We've included 3 120-volt AC outlets, 1 PD 60-watt USB-C and 2 USB-A ports, as well as a stable 12-volt car port. Our brand new intuitive LCD display provides you with input, output, and battery level readings to ensure you're getting the most out of your Explorer 1500. Let's face it, traditional gas generators are a thing of the past. Just like our other solar generators, the Explorer 1500 provides you with silent and fume-free power for any device you might bring along in your RV or van. Use it to power your space heaters, electric blankets, kettle, and refrigerator to bring all the amenities of your home kitchen on the road. And if that road trip lasts more than a day or two, you can use it to power your hair trimmers and curling irons to stay fresh for longer. We all know those disposable fuel canisters are horrible for the environment. So why not make the switch to electric and power your campsite with the sun? You can keep your Explorer 1500 topped off from your standard wall outlet at home, or on the road using your vehicle's carport. But when the adventure takes you off the grid, harness the energy of the sun with an array of our portable solar panels to create a solar generator system. The integrated MPPT charge controller ensures you're getting the highest solar charging efficiency possible. In fact, connecting 4 100-watt panels can get you charged up to 80% in only 4 hours. Life can be unpredictable, so it's better to have a backup plan when the grid goes down. With the Explorer 1500, you can keep everything running from lights and fridges to fans, medical devices, internet modems, and more. If you're looking for a green energy solution for camping, tailgating, or any off-grid events, or maybe you just want to ditch that noisy old gas generator, the Jackery Explorer 1500 will equip you with all the power you need.